Right, we're starting to be kind of done. Last episode, we finished this off, the kitchen, and now it's just small fixes left. We need to still install the grey water tank and test the water, but we know it's pretty good already. The bathroom, drainage, that's about it, really. Before we can actually, install the bed, but that's just putting in the bed. But otherwise, I think we're pretty done. Today, I will be installing this ship. It's gonna have a black board underneath here, like a black panel. And then we're gonna do something to store the shoes in. So I'm gonna start with installing the black plywood panel that we painted yesterday off cam. And then I'm gonna explain the rest, how we're gonna do it. Let's go! That looks super. It needs a second coat. Lina is in the city today to buy, and she's gonna buy some new paint, some more paint, so we can put that on. But I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna do the shoe rack thing on here, so just have to think about that for a bit. In the meantime, I just put this on. This is a piece of scrap of the thing that we cut wrong when we did the kitchen. And I want to have a shopping board that fits into the sink. And it's just, you can put it here and it's just level with the sink. You see, like every van lifer has that. And it looks really good, and it's just super handy to have your shopping board in the sink. It's done. Look at that. It looks so good. Let's see if it works. Wow. That looks sick. Oh, God, look at that ship. Wow. Just gonna put some oil in it. Ship. Oh, look at this, all oiled up. So, gonna leave this here to dry in the sun. Chup. In the meantime, I've been planning the shoe rack thingo. So, shoe rack. Since we have about 9 centimeters here, between this and the door when it's shut. And this is a perfect spot to have shoes, because like if you have dirty shoes, you put them here, all this dirt come down here, and all this. It's okay if you have dirty shoe dirt in general, dirt here. I don't want to have a shoe rack from the top to the bottom, because it's just going to look messy. I want to have a shoe rack from here to there. I think I'm going to do it similar to how we did the shelf. Something like that. But apply that here. So, you do a piece here, a piece here, a piece on the top, one in the middle, one at the bottom. And we have the perfect thing for it. We have this left over. Shoop. A piece of bench top. So this is super good to use this, because it's just scrap. I don't know what to do with it otherwise. So I think I'm gonna do a few small pieces together, hold it up and see if it looks good. Otherwise, come up with something else. Let's test it out. creation. Shoe rack. Something like that. And you just take the shoe and boom. Look at that. Shoop. Done. It's not the nicest looking, but it's everything is scrap wood. So I'm pretty happy. Now I'm gonna paint this black, and that paint takes 2 days to settle or like to dry, but you get a really nice finish. It's the same paint as we used on the back, on the floor at the back, just that it gets really hard, so it's nice to be able to wipe it off. I'm also gonna paint this in the same black because, as you can see, now when I tested out everything, it's super dirty, super quick. So you're gonna see this finished thing by the end of the video, not now, but it works.
It's a little bit hard to open the door with this in the way. But I think we're gonna get used to it. We have 3 things on the agenda for today. Water meter sensor leveler for the fresh water and grey water, so we know how much it's in the tank. And the curtain that is gonna go here. And the shower curtain. We're just gonna go on the inside, obviously, because otherwise it's losing its purpose. 3 things. Let's go.
Right, I'm gonna start with this. We actually have 2. But I'm gonna start with these and test them out if they work. They supposedly work on both 12 volt and 24 volt, but I think we're gonna try to run it on 24 volt because it's just better. And we're gonna have them mounted, let me show you, here. So we're gonna have them mounted like this, shoop and shoop. First of all, I'm gonna test them to just see that they work. Let's do a quick test. We got this wired in, like extremely temporary. So, if we plug this in, we hope that this won't explode. So if I turn this now, or like move this up, we should get water. Yay! We have a lot of water!
Oh wow!
Tank is full!
Tank is full!
And if I move it down? Oh, tank is empty. Tank is full. And tank is empty. Wow. And then,
wow.
You can't really see it, but we can choose color as well. Color.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Boom.
Boom.
So it works.
Which color do you want to have?
I think we're gonna have yellow on the fresh water, red on the grey water.
Smart.
I know.
Smart.
Big brain. Whoa! Look at this. Cable mess. Done. Looks amazing. And Lina's thing is done.
Yes. So it's a bracket that's gonna go into the bracket. Great explanation. And that.
You want a hand?
Yes.
Wow!
Wow.
Look at this. We have a curtain here. And then you can okay, 1 out of those 3. Second thing on the list. Let's get these up. 2 of them. Shoop. 1 here. 1 there. But they come around. So they're gonna come out on this side. Like this. Shoop. But we want to drill it from this side because it's better. So we know exactly where to get them because there's a lot of electricity here. And then we want to drill into anything. So right there is probably good, and one below. And we have the perfect hole saw for it.
Yeah.
So, in usual fashion, we're just gonna eye measure this. Boom! Look at that! Both done! Now, let's test both of them. So, ship and shop! Look at that! Super! Can I get the fuse there somewhere? A red fuse? Thanks. Right. Fuse. In. Yellow at the top. And red at the bottom. And if you look inside, you should have lights. Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
So cool.
Second thing off the list.
Ticked.
Nice. On to the third. Third thing. Shower rod. No, vad heter det?
Yeah.
Shower rod. Fishing rod. No, shower rod. So, one in this corner. Ship. And one like that. And the rod in between. So I'm gonna put this up and then cut the rod.
Oh, dang. Almost forgot my safety glasses.
It's like rubber on it. A little bit. Wow. Let's test.
It's too short. We cut it too short, about a centimeters. So it's like on the edge here and on the edge on the other side. So yeah, it's not gonna stay. So we need to buy a new one and do it all again.
Fucked up by a centimeter. Great measuring. Okay.
Well.
So I would say that's still a tick in the box.
Yeah. It's ticked.
Nice.
It's ticked.
List done. Okay, bonus round.
Huh?
Bonus round.
Bonus. Yes. So I think we're gonna do this one.
Yes, bonus round. We're gonna put this up. The shoe rack shelf thing. Right, this obviously needs a second paint. Second coat.
Wow. So nice. Do we have a shoe?
Wow.
Wow.
We have a shoe rack. We have a shoe rack.
Nice.
We're also gonna check the clearance because, you know, measuring and all. Wow.
That's close call.
Nice.
Nice.
It's like a good centimeter.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good measuring.
I'm super happy actually with how it looks. Like it's looks a little bit like homemade, which it is. But overall, we're gonna call it quits because we're gonna go and pick up some stuff and yeah, good thing. All three things done plus the bonus. Sick. See you tomorrow.